Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Play Store something went wrong problem. Okay, let's go see your problem. You can see this is problem. Let's go solve your problem. At first check your internet connection. Now tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Tap on apps and then tap on apps management. Now tap on search and then write here Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. After tap on delete, go back one step. Tap on force stop and then tap on OK. Now tap on permission management. You can see some permission enable and unenable. Must be all permission enable. After enable all permission, go back your home screen. Now go to your Play Store. Tap on search. Search here any apps. I failed to install the ShareIt apps, so I want to install the apps again. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.